to officially go. Let's get it.
For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description.
But before we get into today's video, I just want to give a massive shout out to Sugarcoat. Guys, this stuff is absolutely sick, and let me tell you why. Not only does Sugarcoat smell so good, you will literally have to stop yourself from drinking it. It also applies a hydrophobic ceramic coating to your paint, which causes standing water to bead and run off and make your paint impenetrable to impurities and contaminants. And yeah, guys, we know there's stigmas surrounding waterless washes and quick detailers, but Sugarcoat is no normal waterless wash or quick detailer. This ceramic waterless wash is actually formulated to lift dirt away from the paint onto the microfiber, absolutely reducing the chance of micro scratches. And guys, Sugarcoat comes in 4 amazing flavors. We've got bubblegum, rhubarb and custard, Parma Violet and Mango. They've all been designed in such a way that with correct use will leave a hydrophobic ceramic coating protecting your paint for up to 3 months. And on top of that, Sugarcoat is actually pH neutral, meaning it can be used safely on your seats and all interior surfaces, which will also leave a hydrophobic protection layer on all surfaces. And guys, this stuff smells so good, you'll probably be tempted to use it on yourself. Sugarcoat is also very effective when it comes to cleaning glass and can also safely and effectively be used on vehicles that have been wrapped. Remember, Sugarcoat is designed to be used in between washes and on light dirt only, so be sensible. And obviously, I've got to plug you, and Sugarcoat have gave me a crazy discount code that will save you guys 20% on all orders OG20. Check the links in the description and let's get back to the video. Yeah, then brother, welcome to the channel, or welcome back. I'm not sure, we're filming a couple videos today.
So this could be the first one or the second one.
Yeah, we're not sure. Sorry guys, it's a little bit loud. We've got a load of crazy machinery here today. Santa Pod test day, and we've got your very own Lambo here, TT Lambo. What kind of power is this crazy car making, and what are we trying to achieve today, brother?
So the background of this was the first 1,000 horsepower Lambo twin turbo in Europe back in 2017.
No way, I did not know that.
So this was the first one. So this ran a 9.0.
Okay.
162. Okay. So I'm going to try and break 8 on pump.
Okay.
I've done my first pass, I did a 9.1.
Okay.
I did a second pass, which you just filmed, but I ran out of fuel.
Got ya.
So I'm put some pump fuel again.
Okay.
Because I want to be low, you know, I just want to get an 8-second on pump.
Yeah.
That's what it does.
Yeah.
Power-wise, it's 1,900 horsepower.
It's 1,900 horsepower.
So
Jesus.
Ethanol next, and then obviously try and see if we can beat an 8.4.
Yeah.
Buzz's record. Sorry, Buzz.
Tell us a little bit about the build of this car and what's went into it.
So this has got a GM built engine.
Okay.
So fully built engine that we built. It's got Boost Logic turbo kit, AMS plenum, AMS fuel system. What else has it got? Built box.
Oh, fully built?
Fully built billet box,
wow.
yeah.
Okay.
Drive shafts.
Okay.
It's literally got everything to do 2,500 wheel.
That's what I was
apart
thinking.
from the turbos.
Yeah, the turbos are the kind of the factor that's holding it back at the moment.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're ready for Buzz when he, or if he does.
The thing is, Jimmy, the thing with these cars is that when you push them so fast, you probably know yourself, it becomes to the point where do you use it? It comes so fast, it's dangerous, isn't it?
Of course.
So like, I'm trying to find that limit now of like enjoying it. That's why I love the McLaren and the 34. They're 1,000 brake.
Yeah.
You can just use
it. Do you know what's crazy? We're talking about 1,000 brake like you can just use it.
Yeah, it's like
times have changed,
bro.
bro.
So like I think this is 1,200 on pump, which is just nice. You can just go out and do an 8, and that's what I want to do.
Yeah.
And obviously these figures, man, that people are changing. I know you've done it with Porsches now. It is a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, man. It's about the healthy balance.
So this car is about the balance.
Yes.
To use it on the road, do the times, and then put ethanol. Yeah. Whereas my Jun is purely for times.
That's times.
Yeah.
Got ya.
Yeah.
All right, bro. Well, I'm once again going to be documenting your journey today.
Yeah.
I wish you the best. So first we're running it up on pump. We're going to break at 8, and then we're going low 8s on ethanol. Yeah.
That's the plan.
Let's do it, man. Nice one. 9.2, 161. That was a strong run. Oh man, that's a 9.5 at 138. So yeah, the car wasn't as happy as he'd have liked for sure. It looked good, it looked like a strong solid run, but yeah. Jeez, that was spicy. 9.5 at 148. Insane. Jürgen, just saw your run there. It looked strong, but you came out of it at the end, right?
Well, I didn't actually come out with the Civic Stripters at the end.
Oh, okay, got you.
So probably fuel again.
Okay,
probably.
okay.
You know, I didn't have fuel at the beginning.
Yeah.
I don't have any fuel at the top, so that's what I think it is.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get that 8-second on pump.
Yeah.
I don't know whether I'm just gonna. Okay, then just go there. It did a 1.560 foot.
Okay.
So still so far 9.1's the best time on pump.
It does go to show if you stayed in it, you could have been at that magic number.
I know. I'll make a decision as soon as Romain has a look at the logs. Don't know what to do because we'll run out of time as well.
That's right.
So,
well, yeah. All right then, bro. Well, listen, we'll be following whatever happens. Nice one.
No worries.
This car keeps getting quicker. He's ran a 9.3, 9.2, 9.1, 9.0. He wants the 8s. That's a JM 1600R. What's in the can? What's in the tin?
Ethanol now. Do you know what? I thought I might as well do 8 on the street because like we haven't got time.
Yeah.
And obviously I did a 9.1. I know I can do an 8.
Yeah.
I haven't done it, but I'm not going to piss about.
Of course, we're running out of time.
Yeah, so I'm just going to go on ethanol.
Cool.
8 and just try in the northeast of England.
All right, so now it's a bigger matter at hand.
Yes.
We're here to break some records now.
Now we're going to see what it's like on ethanol, yeah. So it's going to get a bit spicy.
Okay, what number? Give me a number. And is it full send on the first one?
I don't know.
Okay.
Down to Romain. Sometimes he doesn't tell us, you know.
just try that, see how that feels.
Let's 8 seconds is what I want now.
Okay, all right.
And then go from there.
All right, okay.
Yeah, so let's get it 8 on ethanol and see what Romain gives us.
Okay.
I don't think you'll give his full power just yet.
Okay.
I feel comfortable, but
all right, cool.
Let's see.
was looking strong. Still at 9.9 at 115 mile an hour. He came out of it way before the end of the track there. That looked like the one, slightly a softer launch, and then come off it, and it still runs at 9.9 at 115. But boy, yeah, close but no cigar. Yes. Strong at the beginning.
Yeah.
Let off kind of like towards the end.
I got a fuel pressure trip, so the beginning wasn't actually as strong, even though it might look like it.
Yeah.
The 60 foot was a bit down, 1.8.
Oh wow.
I did a 1.5 a couple of times.
Got
you. So yeah, unfortunately, we're just testing. This is what the day is about, isn't it?
It's what it's
testing.
about.
This is why we've got a private day to sort of get on the platform and sort of push. Like I say, when I first this morning we just did a basic pump 1,000. We got like a 9.1.
Yeah,
but we're just trying to push the race fuel. This is where we're getting the problems.
Exactly.
Race fuel's giving us problems.
I know, bro. I know. But
frustrating.
Yeah, no, but you know, it's part and parcel of these things, I guess. And yeah, man. So you reckon you're confident in the next pass? If you get a clean pass?
If I get time, yeah. If I get time, it should do like a mid-8s. But
okay.
It's getting that time. We're running out of time, aren't we?
Exactly. We're against the clock.
Fingers crossed.
All right, guys. We are literally running out of time now. The track is going to shut, so I'm hoping. I know Jurgen's hoping that this one is a clean run. So let's see, man. About halfway down the track, but it was not meant to be. The way this thing moves, I'm not sure if it's translating on camera, but in real life, the way it moves, it's like traveling water. It's like time traveling. And he's coming off the throttle, man. So I think he's suffering with that fuel cut today. So we'll go speak to him, see what's up. Jurgen, wasn't meant to be, brother.
Not today. On
Not
pump,
today.
I'm happy with pump because I know what I can do. We did a 9.1.
So that's the thing.
You missed it, didn't you?
I missed it. The one I missed was a 9.1,
yeah,
right?
so that was the first pass, just boom, 9.1.
Yep.
And then obviously I tried and I ran out of fuel.
Yep.
And then I ran out of fuel at the bottom and then I ran out of fuel at the top. So we thought, you know, we'll run out of time, as you see in the video. Yep. We went with ethanol, had a few little niggles, and then we've got the 1/8 dialed in.
Yep.
So if anyone doesn't know that, it's beginning of the track, it's perfect. 60 foot's good.
Yep.
It's starting to dance and move.
Yep.
But we're hitting a fuel trip at the top.
Got you.
So it's either sensor's faulty or something, I don't know. I could literally probably turn it off and it's probably going to be all right, but I can't risk it with cars like this.
No, it wouldn't make sense.
A couple of the customers, I think you caught it, ran an 8.
Yes, this one.
Yeah.
Is his first time out, yeah?
Yeah,
okay.
So another one ran a 9.0 on a GM30.
Yeah, I caught that too.
Alex.
Yeah.
So yeah, so they had a great day. Obviously the big guys didn't, you know.
Yeah,
so,
exactly.
But that's what happens.
It's more power, more problems. That's what they say,
yeah.
like, you know.
So we'll be back and we'll do another one.
For sure.
That's it, yeah.
Well, listen, it's been good fun being down there with you boys. Thank you for inviting me and following your journey. And yeah, man, if you'd invite me back when you're next sending it, I'd love to document it.
No worries.
But for today, bro,
cheers.
Thank you so much, man.
Thanks a lot.
Nice, man.